Introducing the SmallRig Mikevisuals POV rig. Designed for filmmakers, we have created the easiest way for you to capture rigged and POV shots. Just like this. Built from the ground up, we have spent the past 6 months designing the perfect rig, prototype after prototype, tried and tested. Adding features like the fully adjustable magic arm for unlimited angles, a NATO rail attachment for stability and security, a measurement tool for precision, a hidden Allen key for quick access, and 360 degrees rotation for endless possibilities. This compact and lightweight design fits in your camera bag for a fast and always ready setup. Use the clamp to rig almost any product with a secure tightening system. Then make sure your product and shots are locked into place so you get the same shot every single take. And in post-production, remove the rig for seamless POV shots. Let your creativity run free and capture never before seen angles and places it's never been taken before. My favourite challenge as a filmmaker is finding new ways to capture innovative shots, things that have never been done before. That's why I'm collaborating with SmallRig to bring you this product, a creative world of possibilities. Creators, who wants to level up their filmmaking? What are you aiming for?